All
What's
right,
up?
so let's talk about Big Brother. Big Brother is watching, whether you like it or not, and it's all because your phone tracks every. You can't see it really. Your phone tracks everything you do,
Yeah.
and everywhere you go, and it's got sensors inside of it. So
Yeah.
if you think you're going to get away from it, you're not. And these companies are using it. So
Yeah.
Lyft is Big Brother today.
My big brother. My
Your
big
Big
brother.
Brother.
Yeah, my big brother sent me a horrible smooth cruiser report, bro. What
Well,
the
you know
hell,
what?
man?
Here's the thing. Look, you need to start braking more smooth.
I am,
You need to
bro.
brake a little more smoothly.
That's
No, you're not.
bullshit.
Look, you're
I'm at
braking less
like
smooth.
almost zero.
You're braking less smooth than 91% of other drivers out there.
I suck.
I would say, I would say, if I didn't know any better, I'd say you're driving a Tesla and using the regenerative braking. But
No. Okay, but okay. See, this is what I'm saying. I get it. Okay, so my turns are smooth. Okay. My overall is 58%. Obviously, it needs work. I'm in the top 42% of drivers in LA. Well, that's BS. I don't want to be the top 42%. I want to be in the top 1%. Because
I want to drive fast and take chances.
no, man, I swear to God.
Just
Okay,
kidding.
so either my phone's gyroscope is messed up or Lyft something is messed up. Okay, so of course, look, I'm not making excuses. I may have, but 91% of the time I'm braking hard. No. If okay, how about this? If I was doing that, if I was guilty as charged, okay, which I'm saying I'm not.
Well, I you know what? You're the reason why the insurance costs are so high, because you're braking so damn hard. lay off the brake a little bit.
Yeah, I touche on that one. I can't touch that one. And then on the next screenshot, after they say you suck, okay, my mounted phone, 100%. See, that's good.
There you go. That's a good
kept
thing.
me alive, by the way, because if it wasn't for that 100%, I'd be probably in the 20 percentile. Right? So,
well, you know what?
okay.
Here's the thing. Depending on your depending on your actual phone mount,
Yeah,
it could. Who knows? Maybe it's thinking it's braking too fast or something.
potentially, possibly.
I don't know.
It's one of the vent. It's one of the vent magnet phone mounts, bro.
Oh,
I don't know.
well, I got the same one as you do. The one that what is it?
Yeah.
The Gauche or the Skosh?
Yeah, the one that we gave away, whatever it was.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So so this is all good. And then this says, will this affect my ratings, driver score, or accept account status? No, this report won't affect your rating, rewards, or account status. I get it. Okay. Smooth cruiser report different than my driving score, which on the next page you guys will see. Here, if I was braking horribly, and if I was a menace to society and almost crashing every time, according to the Lyft cruiser report, how do I have this grade? 100%, zero cancellation rate,
Boom.
5-star rating, no safety flags, no service flags. How am I getting this?
Because you know why?
Why?
Because I think that their sensor data is off.
Okay, thank you.
I'm thinking it's their sensor data is not reading properly, and it's off. Okay. And this is on Lyft's side.
Okay.
Because
so here,
no matter what, your
this.
GPS is going to show the same, because it's linking up with how many ever satellites it's going to link up with, and it's going to tell you pretty much how fast you're going within 6 feet. So.
Oh, I got called a good ant. Look at this. What is a good ant? I'm a good driver, bro.
No, that's a good driver, because this is more the passenger side of things when it comes down to it. This is how you're acting. So your cancellation rate, rating, safety flags, and service flags.
Okay, first of all, my cancellation never on Lyft has gone above 5%. One time it did. They sent me to cancellation rehab school. Okay, and I have to do that
for not wanting to take a crackhead.
Yeah, I didn't let a crackhead in the car that my thing went up. But I will not accept a trip that I'm not going to finish. That is the issue with this. Okay, even on Uber, my cancellation is very low, maybe 1%, because I'm going to cherry pick. I'm going to only accept the ones that I know I'm going to do. Once I accept it, I'm committed. I'm doing this thing. It's just no ifs and buts about it. So yeah. So on one end, Lyft says you suck driving, brake like a brick wall, and then on the other guy, the passenger said this guy is wonderful. So which one is it? Is it Lyft or is it the passenger? Who do I believe? I don't know.
But you know what? Maybe you need to send a check recheck to Lyft and say, look, I got my display ride dash camera.
Yeah.
And it can tell you the data. I could send you all of the screen recordings, and it'll show you that I'm not braking hard. So what's going on there, Lyft? You need to recheck Lyft by being. But either way, if you are a driver, you definitely need a dash camera. This is definitely a good spot for it, because if they're watching, you need to be watching too, especially when it comes to who's getting in and out of your car. You definitely need some sort of dash camera. Display ride dash camera is great because it is an entire solution. It's not just a dash camera. It's a rideshare monitoring platform solution. That's what they call it. And it is. I mean, the biggest thing is you get that on-demand video going straight up to the cloud. So if there's anything going on, not only that, MTMC viewers like yourself, you can get 20% off. So it's $20 a month, which pays for the camera. It pays for, the data plan when it comes to the actual dash camera, because it needs the data plan to be able to go to the cloud by using the LTE network. So that is something that you need to make sure that you guys are definitely on when it comes to anything, especially accidents. If the dash cam gets flung out, if there's an issue or anything, if somebody tries grabbing it and throwing it out the window and you don't know where it might be, whatever it might be, there's a lot of different things. They're already going to be on the dash camera. The accident's going to be on the backup, all that good stuff. So again, use the link. It's going to be in the description below. It's RSG20. It'll get you 20% off and $20 a month instead of $25 a month.
Yeah, please get it.
And it's tax deduction.
Yeah. Also, in this heat, I've had a couple of LA drivers who have it. They sent me saying that, what I'm trying to say is that display ride support is really, really, really good. And if the back paper that holds it on the windshield falls, whatever, because of the heat, it's 125 degrees out there, they will replace it. They will even replace the holder. So their support is amazing, unlike Uber and Lyft. So you have a company that's backing their stuff up. So I have one. I love it. I wouldn't think of doing rideshare without it at all. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.